In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can block unwanted texts on Android. Okay, so depending on which message app that you use, it might be a slightly different process, but I'll just use the standard messages app on Android. So most people will be using that. So if I tap on my messages or my text messages app, you can see these are my messages. And now if you want to go ahead and remove unwanted messages or block unwanted messages, what you want to do is tap on these three vertical dots on the right hand side there. Once you've done that, you want to select settings. And now you have a couple of options here, but the one we're looking for is spam protection. So you can see it says spam protection there. If I tap on spam protection, it says enable spam protection. So you can see I have it toggled on. So yours will probably look like that. Just toggle it on, make sure it goes blue. And this helps detect spam. Messages sends some data about your messages to Google, blah, blah, blah. And all you would need to do is enable this setting. And then when you get a spam message, it won't even go into your messages list. It will go into a separate spam box where you can check it out from there. But that would be the process. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.